Hello today, I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you to Ustellar LED floor lamp. Oh, that's a really cool LED device which brings us a lot of color, as you can see in the living room, for example. It comes with a smart RGB plus ICW LED system. It's a floor lamp, a corner lamp with remote control and, as you like, app control. The possibility of 16 million of colors are available if you use that here. And it comes with a music mode. That means if you have music, the LED will flash to this music. Really cool. It comes with a DIY mode, so you can program the colors as you like. Timer function for bedroom, for gaming, for living room, and where you like to use it. It is possible with a 1-pack or a 2-pack. The 1-pack is only one LED, an LED mountain. The 2-pack, there comes 2 of them, and they are operated through one power supply. It's really cool, the 2-pack option, I think. We create our perfect atmosphere with this. These LED floor lamp set can create dynamic RGB colors with 16 million colors options and over 48 dynamic lighting modes. This RGB+ICW floor lamps allows us to adjust our lighting to any mood or accessions. We adjust the speed and the brightness to bring our rooms to life in any exciting ways. And it can sync with our music, for example. Thanks to the built-in highly sensitive microphones, our LED floor lamp synchronizes with the rhythm of our favorite music if we like, movies or games, while we are play music or have a game feature and so on. We immerse ourselves in an unforgettable experience and let the lighting enhance our audiovisual entertainment experience. And we have convenient control options. We easily control our LED corner floor lamps with the included remote control, or we use the Bluetooth app. With the app, we can adjust the color, the brightness, and the light effect according to our wishes. And with the built-in timer function, we can plan our lighting for any event. And we have a high adjustable RGB floor light with a total of 1425 mm height. The assembled design with 4 removable lamp sections makes the installation and the disassembly really easy. The base is made of high quality iron and triangular design ensures stability while saving space. The Ustellar LED floor lamp offers us a fantastic lighting experience that transforms our home into a modern and inviting atmosphere. And wide application possibility. This floor lamp not only provides ambient light effect in the corner, but also this is a lamp that can completely any room decoration style. This making it one of the first choice for living room, bedroom, playroom, reading room, or office decoration. And synchronous lighting, double timing. The 2 floor lamps are controlled together by one LED controller, which achieves the synchronous output without time difference. The total length of the cable are 3 meters, so it's good to operate with that. There are 2 models on the market, a 1-pack and a 2-pack, of course. It is DX21004 with 1 or 2-pack. We have aluminium and PC materials. The power supply is DC 12 volt. The power adapter is a 12 volt 1 ampere in the 1-pack, and in the 2-pack it's a 12 volt 2 ampere power adapter. The input is AC 100 up to 240 volt. That means you can use it around every corner on the world. The wattage is 13 watt in the standalone version or 22 watt in the 2-pack version. RGB multicolor and warm white are possible. The color temperature 3000 Kelvin. The luminous flux is 600 lumen. The light angle is 120 degrees. We can use it as a remote control, and we can use this Surplife app. The app name is Surplife. You can download this from the Android store, the Google Play Store, or the App Store from an iOS device. So it's possible to use this on Android or iOS features, so Apple devices. The battery for remote is CR2025. We can change this by ourselves, and it makes a really cool looking set job. As you can see, it's easy to operate by using the app or the remote control to bring us a good atmosphere. The total length is 1425 millimeter in total. We have 4 segments we can build it from. Each segment comes with 350 millimeter. So you can choose how you will operate this system. It's really cool. We assemble the light bar to the base in the correct order. There are 1 up to 4 numbers of the light bars. There we can get in position, and after we get them into position, we can control them by enable the power supply. We can tighten the screws with it, and then it will stay in place, of course. After this, we can directly use the remote control, or we can download the Surplife app to make their pairing status. We enable the Bluetooth function of our smartphone. We open the app, and then we go to add a device and pair the light to our smartphone. Easy peasy. And after this, we can open the app itself and make a good setup. A setup of our lighting, because there are so many templates available in the app, and you can make a DIY thing or the music thing. It is up to you how you like to decorate your rooms with that really cool Ustellar LED floor lamp set in a 1-pack or a 2-pack. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.